Hello and good morning. A very nice morning here in Beer, and we are here for another 30 minutes of grind and workout with each other. It's an accountability video, and yeah, without too much of further ado, let's get into it. So today's workout will not be having a background music because I want you to hear the birds and simple instructions that I'll give along. So follow along and let's dive right into it. Prepare yourself, get some water. If you have a mat, put on a mat. If you don't have a mat, just just settle down. Yeah, let's start in a bit. Let's go. So start with neck rotations at the sides, as we do. Neck rotation forward and rear. Hold on, there's some dog issues, but I'm sure they can solve that. Okay, forward and rear, full circles, other way around. Listen to the sparrows, feel the muscles moving. Nice. 10 seconds more, other way around. Hello, doggies. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So many doggies. I love the doggies. Yes, next up, let's yeah. Hey, good morning to you as well. Did you feel better in your eye now? Do you feel better in your eye now? A little better? Yeah? So much better. Alright, so neck rotation is done. Next, what we'll do is arm twisting. So forward and up. Forward and up. Forward and up. Forward and up. 20 times in your own pace. You can also do it with me if you want. Forward and up. Next is shoulder rotations. Full shoulder rotations. Pull them behind. Let them all go. And forward. Turn forward. And rear. And forward. Okay, 10 seconds of rest. Alright, next up what we are going to do is stretches and forward out. So stretch one like this, and stretch two, pull it out, and we do this 20 times in your own pace. So we start stretching, stretch, 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 out. Feel your chest coming out, yeah? And when you go back fully, make sure that your biceps are getting some pressure. Yeah? Alright, nice. 10 seconds of rest. Hope you're following me alright and the frame is okay. Alright. Next up, stretching hands alternatively, side to side. 10 seconds of rest. Next up is rotating your pelvic girdle. This is quite an interesting exercise, and as you move, feel your bones getting relaxed, your tailbone getting off all the strain that it had of yesterday and the sleep. And yeah, keep moving other way around. Speed is not important here, form and factor is important. So make sure that you go nice and easy and you make full circles. Great. Next up, if you're wearing something, make a connection with the ground and you bend and take both the hands backward like this. So 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And from here, straight away get into bend and up, bend, bend. Nice. And for this next exercise, which is stretching alternatively, come down to your boat and turn. Then you stretch to the side. Lift up and turn. Other foot can go up, lift up and turn. Get your hands forward as well. Lift up and turn. Lift up and turn. Last two. Lift up and turn. Lift up and turn. That's it. Put some water here. Hands on well. Alright, next up, we'll be folding your knees, hugging them to your chest, starting with your left, and 2, and 4, and 3, and 5, and 6. Next up, straight down, get down and blast up. Down, other side up. Eight, 9, and 10. Take a break. Whew. Well done, yeah. Feel the heart moving, feel the body pumping, and I'll turn your direction with me. Is this better? Yeah, this is better. Have some more water if you wish. Alright. Next up, you come down push-up position and do 2 and 1 and 2. Yeah. Side this is for you. 2 push-ups. Keep going, you're doing very well. Keep those abs tucked inside. Right. Take a break. You deserve it. Next up is shoulder tapping, side to side. This is again very easy. Come down to a pike position. And tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's it. Come back. Take a bit of break. Good job again. It's so nice. You feel the body getting the strength and feel your muscles moving. It's just so nice. Alright. Have a sip of water if you want. Next up is push-up and rotation. Simple. Come down to push-up position and rotate one side, come down, rotate the other side. So let's do it. Go down. If I give you sideways view, go down and go down and rotate. Really nice. Very nice, good stuff. And next, what we're gonna do is rows, shoulder rows, forward and rear. So lie down in the front, the bottle ahead if you have, forward and back. 1, 2, 3. Really nice. Hard chakra. Alright, next up is push up inside, push up outside. I'll give you the front view first. So you can know what the exercise is about. Come on to the push up position and forward maybe. Then we go to down. One in and one out. One in and one out. Last two. One more. That's it. Good job. Well done, well done, well done. Next up is getting onto your so basically you get onto your elbows and then you get back to your fist again. So I'm lost. Okay, it's nimble now. So keep your hands like this and then go. Keep your abs tucked in. 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. All right, take a 10-second break. Next up is lunges, backward lunges. Come up, yeah, and from here you go behind like this. This is your one lunge. Disable and just lock it here. Yeah. So let's start with 10 of those. Find yourself. Go. sideways is like this. Next up is squats, simple ones, forward bending like this. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Feel the glutes. Yeah. Feel the side getting stretched up. And that's it. Take rest. Next up is side to side. Legs opened up and we go both sides. This time, leg does not opens up, opens out. Two more. And that's it. Quick sip of water if you want. Next up, we go for glute bridges. Glute bridges are simple. You lie down on your back and then you push your pelvic girdle up like 1, 2, yeah, give me 23, 4, 5, Bro, look that thing up. Look that thing up. जल्दी जल्दी आ, जल्दी ऊपर देख. नहीं तोता नहीं, उसके पीछे देखो फॉर्मेशन चिड़ी होगी. Sorry guys, there's a good formation of birds. Keep going. Alright, have second rest. Next up. So 1 in and 1 out in terms of steps. 1 in, up, 1 out. That's it. Next up is muscle rolls up. Simple, lie down. And when you come up, walk like this. Yeah. Take a sip of water if you need. I should align this a little. Yeah. Alright. So line yourself, lie down, and when you come up, stretch up. One. Yeah. Doing it like this, 2, 3, 4, 7, good, 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 good. Next up is again very simple. You get onto your elbows and you get your leg inside and twist. So 1, 2. Yeah, so I continue. Alright. Next up is toe touches. Again very simple. And you know it. So just alternating toe touches side to side. Lie down on your back. And here we go. Alright. Good job. Next up is cross leg sit ups. Doing crunches with one hand coming up and one leg coming up like this. This is 1, right? And we start. 2. Okay, 5-second rest. But you know what the next part is? Other side. Let's go. Not bad. Crazy stuff. You're doing really well. Yeah. All right. Next up is reverse crunches. Lie down. Lift your legs up and lift them up straight. One, two, like this. Yeah. Whenever you're ready, let's do 20. Let's go. Ten more. That's it. Good job. Good job again. It's not easy stuff. But the birds are helping for sure. So yeah, let's keep it up. Down our feet. There's the camera up. Have a sip of water. And we'll dial right into burpees. Starting now, now, and now. So on your hands, and now come up and I shoot up. 1, 2. Nice. Really nice. Next up is just some jumping jacks. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Good job, good job, good job. Next up is just simple. I got it, thanks. Keep going. Last 2 left. Five more seconds. And getting down. Now. Good job. Absolutely smashing still. Next up is yours and my favorite, crisscross and cross. So take a position like this, cross your legs, 1, 2, bang, bang. I can show you this one without the shoulders there, so that you see which side of the body is working out, right? So hands back, 1, 2, cross, cross. Obliques inside. Cross, cross. 1, 2, cross, cross, 2, cross, 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 2, cross, cross, 2, cross, cross. Last 2. Really nice. See how these obliques are working up. Very nice. It's so cold. I just wanted to show you one exercise, and that was it. Next up is putting your bums on your feet. Keep going. Second last one. Oh, here's the third one. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, that's it. Coming up now next is yours and my favorite finisher. So for finisher, we will do mountain climbers, 40 of them. Give it all you have. Let's go. On your toes, back straight, and let's go. Give me 40. 10. 20. Now next 20 faster. 3, 4, 6, 7, 10. That's it, you guys. Smashed it today. Love the enthusiasm with which you did it. It's fucking cold here, and I'm with my shorts and a t-shirt with you. Irrespective of where we are, let's continue this motion, and yeah, let's see what happens after 2-3 weeks. But at least let's just show up, grind up, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you so much. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe, and all that nice stuff. Please do it. Thank you for the support. Bye.